first thing you have to go into your drive.
Okay.
Hi.
Okay.
All right. I am going to share a template doc with all of you because it'll be easier that way.
Okay.
So basically, I set up a template with just the information I want on the document.
Okay.
So I want last name, first name, timestamp, and then the assignment title. And I can show you how to change all of this to whatever you want. But let me share it with.
So you just opened up a new doc? Is that what I'm doing right now?
I'm sharing my document with you so you can make a copy of it, and that'll be a lot easier.
Got it.
So go
Okay.
ahead and type in email. I'll cut this out of the screencast too, so they won't see your email addresses.
Wonderful.
And I'll send you guys I have a Google presentation that walks through all the steps too, so if you need to set it up again.
I didn't do it.
So how did you learn this?
Alice Keeler posted one when the old Sheets was, and it was like a 50-step thing, and I took winter break one year to just figure it all out.
Wow.
And made it a hell of a lot easier.
Yeah.
So now it's like, press this button, the end.
Nice.
So
Yeah.
it's just one of those.
So I have had my kids turn in, like they made a screencast, and I sent them all a form, and they copied their link to that. So then I have them all in a spreadsheet, so I can go click on those and find them. And so then this is an added
This is
Big
a
one.
phone is a big
go
deal.
from there. Yeah.
Then it automatically puts
Am
it
I
into your
.com?
folders.
What am I?
That's what I want.
That's why
And
you're
then
here.
you can also, in your
You have a
Google
folder
Drive,
for each
I have
kid
a folder.
created
No, I have a
already.
folder for each assignment. So I just
Assignment.
and then I can, let's say I want to see all polos work. I type in polo in the search bar, all of the documents show up.
Yeah.
Because of the title.
Because right? You're
Yeah,
gonna drive
it's
everything.
Yes. So
Too many
much.
untitled documents.
Yes.
Yeah.
I know. Every time you open create, and then you get.
But I already shared it with you.
Yes.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Let's no. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just erase
Yeah.
all that.
Yeah, erases all that.
Okay. All right. So, sharing this with you. When you get it in your email, you're going to make a copy of it.
Mhm.
There you go. And so you just go up to File, make a copy. And then you should have your own version.
Okay. So this becomes your template?
Yep, which means if I want to put in questions that I want my kids to answer, I put the questions in this document, and when it runs the creation process, they get all the questions in the document. If I want to put a graphic organizer in there, I put a graphic organizer in, and as long as I erase it before they do the next assignment, they get whatever I have on the template at the time they do the form
So
creation.
this is the only template you use?
Yep. And I have dozens of like template for X assignment, template for Y assignment, because I save them so that when I want to recreate the assignment later, I can just copy and paste over.
Okay.
Okay, so now in your drive, you want to create a folder and call it Autocrat. And then you want to move that template document into that folder.
Okay.
Okay, I lost some I already did this.
So you
So
made a
go
folder.
back to your drive and
So there's my problem right
where's
now.
your drive?
I know. That's
Oh, you shut it down. So just go to your email. Where's your email? Do you have anything open? Then
there's my thing. I'm open.
Just do a new tab.
Yeah.
Get rid of that.
Yeah.
Stop it.
You can do Control T and it'll open a new tab. And then you can usually just click on your
Is there
9 olives button, which you don't have.
I know. See, that's my.
So go to your Gmail, and then it should give you the little 9 olives there.
there we go.
I
Always
use
I always
There it
keep it
is.
open.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then always keep that guy open.
And so the next thing is in your Autocrat folder, create a new form.
Okay. So I go to that folder.
And then just create a new Google form.
New form.
Yep.
And you call it.
So I would call it mail merge. It doesn't really matter what you call it. Anything will work.
Okay.
Yep. And then make sure if you are in a Google Apps for Education, make sure you don't check the require district login if you're not in Google Apps for Education. Okay.
Oh, that's
we
good
are.
tip.
And then, so question 1 is last name. And then make sure you choose text instead of multiple choice.
Okay.
And the next question, shockingly, first name.
Required.
Yes.
So it's
Yes, make
important.
these required. And then the next one is email address. And in the note, I clarify it needs to be a Gmail. To add a new question, you do add item.
We need to go back to,
Email.
so like,
last name, first name,
Last name, first name, email address.
email address.
so, why do you do email?
Because it has to, you have to get an email address so that it can send the document to them.
We don't really have real ones though. Does that matter?
Yeah.
My kids all have their own Gmail.
Mine
Some of
do
them use their
too.
parents' Gmail. It's fine.
You guys are not a Google.
Yeah,
Yeah.
but they have it at.
It's like a dummy.
It's a dummy. Yeah.
It's like, so it's the year they graduate, last name, first name at.
It's still an email.
It'll still work.
They
for
don't
this,
have
but-
email,
It'll
but
still
it
work.
should still work
Okay.
for this. I would
You
think.
they have drives.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It'll work.
And then assignment title. Yeah, because it's sharing it with them, so it'll
Yeah.
show up in their shared with me tab regardless of the
Because we used to
Gmail.
not have email, and now we do. It's just really annoying.
Okay.
So that's it. Last name, first name, email address, assignment title.
And text for each one and required questions.
Yes.
Got it.
And then I usually do,
That's it.
on the confirmation page, bottom part says your response has been recorded. I usually write something like, if you don't get an email in 2 minutes, ask me. Because generally it creates it quickly.
So this is where they won't get
Yeah,
an email.
They'll get it. They'll get
in our
something in their
district.
drive.
They'll get it in their
right?
drive.
Okay.
Yes. It'll
Yeah.
So you don't.
So you can
You
write
get
something
both
like,
places.
Oh,
check your Google Drive and shared with me.
Okay.
Okay, so
Oh.
Yeah. Check your.
this is just a note I'm telling them? Is that what you're
Yes.
saying?
Because when they finish filling out the form, this is what'll come up. And most kids don't read it, but in case they do, saying, here's what's going to happen is sometimes helpful.
So my kids don't have the email turned on, so
Mhm.
would it just?
They'll
It'll go to their drive.
Tammy.
Yep.
Mhm.
All right. And then you're going to go to responses and choose response destination. So in the responses menu, choose response destination.
What if you don't?
If you don't have it, it might automatically
Mm-mm.
So,
And I'm trying to
summary of
reopen it.
responses, view responses. So you might have it enabled so that it automatically creates a spreadsheet. I don't. And if it is automatically creating a spreadsheet, you go to view responses instead of,
Okay.
Yeah, mine automatically.
okay.
Okay, so
Okay, got it.
we need to make sure it says accepting responses.
Yeah, you always want to leave that on. So you got,
And this
Get
is
this.
side.
so go to response, oh, you just have view responses. So click there.
Oh, responses.
I know.
So it does do a spreadsheet, right?
Yes. Okay, so now in your spreadsheet, it should have all of your rows
Right.
set up. Yes?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so now go up to the add-ons menu.
Okay.
In your spreadsheet.
Mm-hmm.
Yep, here.
And then get add-ons.
I already have Autocrat in there.
Awesome. That's great.
I mean,
So you search for Autocrat if you don't have it in your menu already. If you
it
do,
one word?
awesome.
does it say launch?
Yep, one word. Launch Autocrat. Yeah, that's the next step. So yeah, it's the
This
crazy robot guy. So click free and it should install it for you. And it'll say things like, we want to be able to do this and this and this, and just say
Right.
accept.
Just let you into my life.
Yes. So once you've done that, when you click on add-ons, it should now say Autocrat and have
Yeah.
a little menu
And then launch.
and then launch.
Okay.
And then the little menu should show up on the side.
Mhm.
And you want new merge job.
Click that.
Mhm.
All right, so mine didn't because I was automatic like dope. I don't know.
So try it again. Go up to launch Autocrat one more time. So
Let's do it now.
add-ons, Autocrat, and then launch. And it should now show up.
Yeah, that's what we did.
Then I say continue. I was updating
Yep.
these. Okay, fine.
And then,
then I choose
choose
this
your
one.
account, yeah. And
And I
say
hit
I
on it.
accept.
Yeah.
And then if it doesn't show up this time, you go one more time and it should. Because sometimes if you don't have permission. So try it
Alright.
one more time.
Okay.
So add-ons, Autocrat, launch. And that should work.
There's so much out there.
That's really weird that it's not letting.
You think because I have too many accounts?
This account needs to
Yes.
match the one you're trying to use
There
up
we
here.
go.
So that's what it
what's
is.
going on.
Oh, you're on the
Okay.
back.
So if you're on this, you're going to go to choose template from Drive.
Okay.
And then you want to find that Autocrat document that you copied from me. Which should just be
It should be
called,
in that folder.
it should be in the folder. You can search for it like Autocrat template doc.
Why is it
So
not
you do
there?
the copy of the one, not the mail merge form, right?
You want the copy of the one you made from mine that has just last name, first name.
That's what I call it, as soon as I see those little.
In the-
parentheses,
yeah.
but I always try. Name the merge job.
And you can just call it Autocrat. You can call it first period. You can call it, it doesn't really matter. Whatever you want to call it. Yeah. Did you get
got
it to work?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Set.
Yeah, and as soon as you do that, it should show you all of the things that it has in your document.
Mhm.
And you want to make sure the drop-down menu matches what the tag says. So like in the tag on the side it says last name, make sure the drop-down also says last name. For first name, make sure it also says first name.
Interesting. Oh, okay.
And then save.
Document.
Template from Drive.
Yes.
No, wait. Template.
Yeah, template from Drive,
okay.
and then find the Autocrat copy document that you made from me.
Got it. Give it a
Where
minute.
is it?
So we save this?
Yep.
I did. Didn't I?
What does it say?
Wrong.
Dollar signs.
Go back to your.
Okay, I want to look at my folder. What happened there?
So just double click.
There it
You
is.
got it. So go
Okay.
back to your mail
So
merge.
go back to mail merge.
And
Refresh.
you might have to close it out and open
Okay,
it
try
again.
again.
Yeah.
Okay. All right, I can
And
do
so
that.
you should be here next.
Oh, right.
Yes.
I'll get there.
I'll get there. I
It's
have
okay.
to.
We'll wait.
She had changed, yeah.
I had to
Mhm.
change my where it
Account.
is. Right.
Right.
Yeah, and so you didn't have it in your new in the
Yeah.
other account. Gotcha.
Now I
So-
should go back and do something.
Go back to the Autocrat template document that you copied, and then just share it with the account you want to use it in. You might want to share the whole folder. Actually, that would be better.
That's a good idea.
See, there's nothing.
So if you're at this
Other
step,
one, there it
the
is.
naming convention, I always do $ last name, one word, $ first name, and then yeah. So it should look like, and this is mostly references. So it's one word, $ last name, $ first name, $ assignment title.
Okay. Okay, so I'm
At this part.
name the merge job.
And just call it like first period.
Okay,
you know,
whatever.
Sample, whatever.
Whatever.
Does it pay attention to the count?
Yes, you want it all
The file
lowercase.
naming.
Yeah, so this is what I use.
Okay.
So it has last name, first name, and assignment title in the actual document title. So you type it with $ and then it's one word last name, one word first name.
Can I see that again?
This isn't intuitive at all,
Fine.
is it?
No.
But it's way
But you
easier than
Yes, I know.
You
I'm
spent a
like,
lot of time
who would
figuring this
ever-
out.
Would you
And
have
teaching
ever on
this.
your own? So $
Good for
first
you.
name.
Yep.
And $
And-
last name.
Or either way. I like last name first because then I can alphabetically sort them by
Okay, I'm
last
gonna
name.
put their first name because now I'm liking using first names.
Assignment title.
There you go.
No documents, like a dope. Same thing.
So let me see really quick.
So I just didn't shoot. I don't know.
So you are in your Drive.
Timestamp too.
Go to the other account.
And so make sure. Did you create a folder already?
Right there?
Well,
Or
those
no?
are documents.
Oh,
So let me just create. So you have a folder there.
yeah, it says there's nothing in it.
Okay, so then we
Is that
want,
you
did
guys-
you already share
What did you name it?
the,
Copy.
so,
No,
Do you
did
email
you-
or no?
No.
and it's,
Just
Assignment.
it's Mill
Mill C
C.
at Union ST. Why didn't it pop up?
It's
Did you do
definitely
.org.
timestamp?
MILL.
S and then
Did you
D.
guys do timestamp?
Mm-mm.
Just first name,
Yeah,
last
first-
name,
And then assignment title, all one word.
assignment title.
Okay.
Okay.
And the next thing you do is you go down to advanced settings.
Okay.
Check the email and or share merge documents.
Okay.
That was right above the.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
it's still in the other one too.
And then
Check the email.
Two.
yep, check the email. The 2 is $ email address.
I didn't see that.
Okay, so go
And then-
Oh, right
into,
here.
There.
yeah, there it is.
And we put the
Email
my
address.
there.
No, you put $ email address, one word.
This is so great.
All right. And then, so now it's definitely in that folder.
I'm like this. I don't think it's going to work
Oh,
either.
here.
Why do I toggle between two Gmails, right? Because I'm thinking I'm not going to do it for school. And
So, yeah.
Right?
see,
show-
I did the same
They're two
thing. I had to
different-
really scramble to
Like
fix
they
that.
won't get together. It's like having two different sides of your computer. I set up. I don't remember who showed me how to do that. So I have to switch users. So I have
Yes.
my Merit.
I do too. I do.
Yeah,
I do
but
one
then
for Merit with my picture and one for my school with no picture. So I can.
But you literally can't get them mixed up because it's like two computers on one.
Mm-hmm.
Does that make sense?
Here we go.
I can show you. It works really well for me.
So,
Okay, so email address.
and then the subject is, here is your assignment. And I do an exclamation point because, why not?
Right now.
So just type in example or test or first period or whatever. And then that. Right? The message I do something like, please click on the link to open your new assignment. And then in this filing name convention, you want last
On
name,
the
dollar,
no.
just like this. You could do last name or first name first, it doesn't matter.
Do you have a space in between?
Yep.
What is the $ for though?
It's to tell you that it wants the data from the form rather than just,
Oh.
because if you just wrote last name, first name, assignment title, every document would be called last name, first name, assignment title. The $ says, pull this data from the form, please.
Wow.
All right.
That makes
so-
sense, the $, right?
I know. All right. Then you want to do include merge document as editable Google Doc.
Okay.
So you want to click email. And then here is $ email address. And hello editors. Yep.
Folder key.
And that's pretty much all you have to do on that page. And you can click save.
And you don't put anything in the subject?
I do here is your assignment, something
Okay.
like that. And then the message can be like, click the link to open your assignment. So now you are ready to test it. So go back to your form, the one that has last name, first name, email address,
Okay.
and then do view live form. So you're actually seeing the real live form.
Did I do save?
Yep.
Cool.
Yep, that's exactly what you have to do. Oh, we have to change that though.
Oh, view only should be edit?
It should be edit, yeah.
Okay.
So then we test it.
And so yeah, fill out the form. Okay, so go back to in your Autocrat menu,
I'm gonna try it
Add-ons.
as,
Autocrat, and then go to
Reset spreadsheet? No.
Go to launch. Actually, no, edit merge. That's where it is. We've changed it. And just for assignment title, whatever you want.
Now here's a question. How come you came to this session? You're the teacher. I'm like, what's
She
wrong?
had something
We're
to
so
offer.
we're so glad you did.
I came because my
Right?
school's doing digital portfolios, and my principal gets very excited when I go to things that have digital portfolios.
Do I go that
Yeah,
one?
just click. Yep. And so my principal will be like, "That's amazing! You went to a session." So
Okay.
goodwill is always important. All right. So now you scroll down,
Vision's Cloud Lab team.
then edit.
Editable.
Yep, editable Google Doc. And click Advanced Settings just to make sure. Yeah, you don't need any of that. Click Save. And so you should be able to check your email once you filled out the form, and you should get an email with a link to the document if all goes well. And if it doesn't go well, you can go back to the spreadsheet and click Run Merge, and it should. Oh, did
Okay,
that?
so where will I find it?
So there you go. See, it's,
So I'm
it's
in.
creating it right now. And then you go to your Gmail that you typed in.
Okay.
Yeah,
And
me.
then there you are. So you open it, and there is your magic document.
Okay.
Wait, you didn't, hang on. That was the
Oh.
one I shared with you. Go back to your Gmail. Click inbox again.
Oh, right. That is the one.
Yeah, click it one more time.
Oh, I'm in the
So-
wrong Gmail.
Oh,
This is so stupid. I gotta stop
allow
it.
Allow us to collect your email address.
I do that, but I also know the guy who built this script, so.
So I just shut mine off and then open it back up and it came
Mm.
through.
Okay.
There it is.
Summary
Okay.
responses. Can I just go there?
And it worked.
Summary
I said, please work.
responses?
View summary
Set
responses
myself a
will
note.
show
Okay,
you.
so
So
Now
then what am I
do?
looking
So
at?
I
Huh.
And then you go back
That
to the
doesn't look
live
right.
form, something like that, right?
Everything.
you filled it
Work in
out.
the
Yeah.
following share.
No,
Okay, yeah.
You don't want
So go to your
folder.
form
Right.
that you just did.
not
Let's
this.
see.
No,
Oh,
this
no,
is
yes.
your spreadsheet that you'll get your data. No.
Oh,
I
It'll
just
be,
shared the
not this.
document.
Okay, so
Yes.
let's do run
So
Right.
merge.
now fill it out.
oh, fill it out.
Mhm.
Okay, fine.
And as soon as you run merge,
well,
then
Wait a
it
minute.
should.
Sorry, view light.
View
View
responses.
live
I think I might have
Oh, I did
skipped
the
a
wrong
step.
one.
Okay.
No,
So you have
no,
to
no, no.
do it on form submit.
We were editing.
I think I skipped telling you guys a step.
Oh,
Let's go. We're doing this.
Yeah.
It does it.
So let me make sure it works with
Isn't that
yours
you?
before I.
that's
Okay.
not me. That's my son. I send him so many things. I'm trying to get him an internship
Oh, yeah.
up in Seattle this summer.
Gosh, it's coming up fast.
Yeah, millc at unsd.org.
Doing what?
Anything?
Oh.
No. You know, he wants to do, he's in business or he's really
Yeah,
a humanities person. Please work.
There we go. Okay. Conditional merge options. New form. Yeah, this is what I forgot to tell you to
Okay,
check.
that's
Go back
important.
to
Okay, so the one, this is in
Form
advanced
reading.
options. It's run
Yeah.
Autocrat when new forms
You'll
are
get
submitted.
that, but
That's
Okay.
what you have to check.
Okay, so
So
do
now
I
I should try it again.
So go back
because you have
into
to
edit
own it.
merge in that sidebar,
You want that? Oh, yeah.
Yep.
You like view responses?
No, the
Oh.
spreadsheet. I'm sorry.
and
There
then
you are. You did it.
basically you're
But-
gonna click through all the options till you get to the last
So I
one
should
again.
I should do this form again.
Do it one more time and see if it works. Now, yeah.
Okay.
So edit merge and then click on your document there. And then there should be save at the bottom. That'll take you to the next step.
I didn't get an email.
You didn't get
So
an email?
because we didn't do something right. So go
Oh.
back in, I didn't do something right.
Oh, okay.
Go back into your spreadsheet and edit your merge, which is the button in the lower corner.
The spreadsheet.
Yeah, so do add-ons, Autocrat, right there, launch. And then
Save
advanced
twice?
settings. Yep. And then run Autocrat
And
when
then it
forms
goes
are
to
submitted. And then save. You just choose one, doesn't really matter. Okay, so click on there. Yep, edit.
It's not giving a choice.
Yeah, let it
Let it
load
have a
all the way
moment.
first.
Okay.
Click on here first, just
It
to,
looks like it's not choosing.
And
Yeah,
then-
there you
yeah.
go.
okay, so now save. And then go all the way down to advanced. And then run Autocrat
Tried.
when new forms are submitted.
Didn't get a new
And
one.
save. And then refill out the form. And
Oh,
you'll
so we're-
probably get two
We're
emails.
going
It
back
came
and
up
adding the
again.
stuff that we missed. Is that
Yeah,
what you're saying?
exactly. I forgot to tell you to trigger, because it used to do it automatically.
Click save.
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
And then go to advanced settings,
Scoochie down.
all the way at the bottom. And then you want to check the box that says Run Autocrat on Form Submit. And then,
So it showed it here, but I'm not getting it in my.
I don't know.
so
how you
click
forgot
inbox
my
again.
steps.
I know, right?
God.
Sometimes it takes 30, 40 seconds to do. So go back to your spreadsheet.
You have to do this ever
You never have to set this up again. No.
right? And would you even be
So-
able to tell somebody? Probably.
It's saying
no.
undefined.
You could wiggle your way.
Yeah. So that's a good
Oh,
thing.
no, there's no
You'd
way.
say-
So yours is
It's gonna be a
saying
bumpy
doc
road, but
merged
we can
bad
do it.
email. Failed to add as editor. Bad
Okay.
email.
Okay.
so
Okay. Let me
now-
try a different email.
If I did it
So our
again, I
school
would get the
emails
email,
is what I
right?
use may not be valid
So-
for this.
Okay.
It may not email it to them, but it's possible that it would.
So failed to add.
Crud.
Bad
I'm
email.
screwing this up.
So if it's
My school email.
your school email, go into your drive and see if it shared a document with you because it created it. So you want to go to.
I gotta fix this. I
Gmail.
accidentally went into the wrong thing. Okay, there we go.
Oh,
So, oops, not that. Dang it. I'll get there.
So you get it in your email too.
You should, yes.
ooh.
So go into your actual spreadsheet, scroll over.
Well, see, I see both of my things.
Mhm.
I did please work and then please work too.
Yeah.
So it's probably, I have a lot of documents that are called that. Doc merged. So it's the same thing that's happening with them. The email address is coming up as failed to add editor, bad email address.
Oh,
Oh, okay.
So that's
problematic.
problematic, yes.
And this is what I did.
Try it with
find
your
in my-
home Gmail. Fill out the form and just see if it works
Okay.
or if I've done something wrong.
This is, so it was in my drive.
Mm-hmm.
This is what,
Although it should have, this should be called something different. So yours. Because it should be giving you an assignment title that's what you filled out rather than just assignment title.
I need permission. Oh my God, just
I think I might have had 2 text boxes. Why are you switching? Don't switch.
She said switch to try to fill it out.
No, just do your form, right?
When I
Don't you
sent
just
that
put a different
question.
email here?
Oh, all right.
No,
That's
if
what
it's
I'm
not
not
coming in my
sure.
email. Dang it.
That's really weird because this is all written correctly. Let's try with the capital and see if that makes any difference.
Oh, because it has to match exactly on my.
It shouldn't have to. Mine doesn't, but sometimes with Google Apps
So
for
see
Education, you get lots of weird stuff.
So use a different email there.
Yeah.
Okay.
So see,
So
so
I
on my
have this, I
original
can switch
form, I don't think I
versions.
matched. So I go to which one that I'm working on.
Yeah, I have it on my other computer. I don't know how to get it
This
on
this
there.
is
See
matched
how
them
I-
together.
So I need to tell you.
That's fine.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so
So-
I know. Well, so
Go
it's
back to your
here,
form.
but it still says failed to add as editor, bad email,
That's bizarre.
Right.
Yeah.
number 3.
Oh, this is-
Bad email address. Why?
How can that be bad?
You try your home Gmail
I
is
did,
coming up as
uh-huh,
bad email
uh-huh.
Me
address.
too.
Serious?
Yeah.
How about if I try my Yahoo?
Oh.
I mean, I have so many.
No, it shouldn't
It
do
shouldn't be
that.
doing that, yeah. So, I wonder if the way,
You might try. I don't know if this will work.
what does yours look like? You should see your email, like,
You should see. It should look like
you know,
this, and it should have. Come on. Actually, look, mine has done the same thing before. This is so it's happened to me before. Let me see if I can
Okay.
figure out why.
yeah.
And I got it to work. So obviously there was something that I did. It could be that capital letter. I'm interested to see if you fill it out again if it does the assignment title
You wanna do
correctly.
it? I can do